بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Fade.
To become or to make something become paler or less bright. The sun had faded the blue walls.
Fetch.
To go to another place to get something or someone and bring it, him, or her back. Could you fetch me a glass of water?
Fiddle.
To move things about or touch things with no particular purpose. Stop fiddling with your pen, do some work.
Fire.
To cause a weapon to shoot bullets, arrows, or missiles. The soldiers fired at the extremists.
Flake.
To come off easily in small, thin, flat pieces. Plaster is flaking off the walls.
Flirt.
To behave as if you were interested in someone, in a not serious way. They were flirting with each other at the party.
Forge.
To make an illegal copy of something in order to deceive. He was put prison for forging money.
Frown.
To bring your eyebrows together so that there are lines on your face above your eyes to show that you are annoyed or worried. She frowned at me, clearly annoyed.
Function.
To work or operate. This fan functions without electricity.
Fuss.
To give too much attention to small matters that are not important, usually in a way that shows that you are worried and not relaxed. Stop fussing over your hair, you look fine. Enjoy your lesson, thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.